Hello everyone, we are Basic 6. Today, we are going to talk about computer network. A computer network is a system that allows multiple computers and other devices to share resources and communicate with each other. It enables data transmission, resource sharing, and collaboration among devices within a network. In this project, we are going to discuss on the types of computer networks based on geographical connectivity, components, network topologies, data transmission, and its security. So firstly, we are going to talk about the types of computer networks. The four main types of computer networks are LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN. The local access network, LAN, is designed to connect multiple network devices and systems within limited geographic distance. The devices are connected using multiple protocols and the network server acts as a central unit for the whole network. However, this increases the risk of leaking sensitive data by LAN administration. MAN, or the Metropolitan Area Network, covers the network connection of entire city or connection of a small area. The devices are connected using wired network, which in this case are data cables. MAN covers an entire city or some parts using optic cables, but the probability of attack from hackers are high due to large network. The wide area network, or commonly known as WAN, is used to connect devices over large distances between states or countries. The connection is wireless, where WAN uses radio towers for communication. WAN can be made up of multiple LAN and MAN networks. The disadvantage of WAN is that it is difficult to prevent hacking and debug a large network. Lastly, PAN, or Personal Area Network, connects computers or devices within the range of an individual person. PAN typically provides network range within 10 meters or 33 feet. PAN is flexible and provides efficiency for short network ranges. However, it is limited to relatively low data rates, plus it costs higher. This shows the difference of size between LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN.
Components of computer network. Computer networks consist of various components that work together to enable communication and the sharing of resources. Some of the main components of a computer network that are going to be explained in this project are nodes, routers, switches, servers, and clients. The nodes are devices that are connected to the network. As examples, they are computers, servers, routers, and switches. They are the endpoints that send and receive data across the network. Physical cables or wireless connections are usually used to transmit data between nodes. Frequently, fiber optic cables and wireless signals are the medium to connect nodes. Secondly, switches. They are devices that connect multiple nodes within a local area network, or LAN. They receive data packets and forward them only to the appropriate destination node, which improves network efficiency and security. Thirdly, routers. Routers are network devices that connect multiple networks together, allowing data to be routed between them. They also analyze incoming data packets and determine the most efficient path for forwarding them to the correct destinations. For the fourth component are the servers. They are powerful computers that store and manage network resources such as files, databases, websites, as well as applications. They respond to requests from client devices and provide the required services. Here is a diagram that can help you visualize how components of a computer network collaborate with each other to share resources. For the last component of computer network that we are going to discuss about are the clients. They are devices that request and consume network resources and services from servers. For instance, clients are desktop computers, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Here is a diagram that can help you visualize how components of a computer network collaborate with each other to share resources.
Next, we go into network topology. Basically, a network topology is the physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connection in a network. There are a few types of network topology, and one of them is mesh topology. Mesh topology is a network setup where each device is connected to every other device. It is a topology commonly used for wireless network. This provides multiple paths for data transmission offering redundancy and fault tolerance. Next, we have star topology. Star topology is the one of the most common network setup where all devices are connected to a central point, such as a router, hub, or switch. That means if one device or cable fails, only that specific connection is affected, and the rest of the network remains operational. Another type of network topology is bus topology. Bus topology is a setup of a network where all devices are connected to a single communication line called a bus. The devices share this bus to transmit and receive data. However, if bus fails, the entire network may become inoperable. Next, we go into ring topology. In ring topology, devices are connected in a circular manner where each device is connected to two neighboring devices forming a ring that allow data to be transmitted in an unidirectional manner around the ring. However, one of the disadvantages about this type of topology is that if a device or cable fails, it can disrupt the entire network. Last but not least, we have hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a combination of two or more different topologies. For example, a network may have a combination of star and bus topology. This type of topology offers flexibility and can be tailored to meet specific network requirements.
Lastly, we will talk about data transmission and security. There are several methods of data transmission, including serial transmission. In serial transmission, data is transmitted bit by bit sequentially over a single communication channel. It is commonly used for long-distance communication as it requires fewer wires and is less susceptible to noise interference. Examples of serial transmission included RS-232, USB, and Ethernet. Parallel transmission. In parallel transmission, multiple bits of data are transmitted simultaneously over separate communication channels. It requires more wires and is typically used for short-distance communication. Examples of parallel transmission include printer ports and memory buses. Wireless transmission. Wireless transmission uses radio wave or infrared signal to transmit data through the air. It allows for flexible communication without the need for physical wires. Examples of wireless transmission include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. Security during data transmission is crucial to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access or interception. There are several measures in place to ensure secure data transmission. Encryption. Encryption is the process of encoding data into an unreadable format using encryption algorithm. Only authorized parties with the correct decryption key can decipher the encrypted data. This ensures that even if the data is intercepted, it remains confidential. Virtual Private Network (VPN). VPNs create a secure and private connection over a public network such as the internet. They encrypt all data transmitted between the user device and the network, ensuring privacy and security. Firewall. Firewall acts as a barrier between a private network and the public internet, monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. It helps prevent unauthorized access and block malicious data packets. Access control. Access control mechanism ensure that only authorized individual or system can access the transmit data. This includes strong authentication methods such as password, biometric identification, and two-factor authentication.
Today, we have covered the types of computer networks, components, network topologies, data transmission, and its security. It is essential to note that computer network is of utmost importance in our daily life, especially in urban areas. Computer network enables efficient resource sharing, provide a platform for remote database access, avenues for interactive communication, and improve data integrity, reliability, and security. That is all from us. Thank you.